Well guys, it is day 2 of our tour with Canary Motorcycle Tours in Gran Canaria, and hopefully today we are doing the GC-200, but we'll see where the day takes us. So if you're interested to watch it, come along.
Well, we had a little mishap today. When we set off, we got just after the first petrol stop and Usernamekate's microphone has fallen out of her helmet. So, we're not going to have any comms for Kate for this first bit. But, we will be rectifying that at the first coffee shop, which should be very shortly. But we found out these roads are just far too good to not share. I've got to remember I'm not on 1000cc now. This doesn't pull out the corners like the Africa Twin. Yeah. So I'll get that out.
Wow, guys, look at this stop. So now we're just going to head up there, up to the top. There we go. Wow. This is stunning. Get in, Lilypad. The Adventures of Lilypad and Tadpole.
Lilypad and Tadpole.
No, we're a windy mess. Look at me, Chief Weaseler. Weasel, Weasel. Wait, we've got audio, Mike.
Yep.
Right, guys. We've just had a coffee stop. And not a coffee stop, because no one drank any coffee, did they? No, now we're heading for coffee. We just had a stop at a lovely viewpoint. Now, when me and Mike were there in 2023 in October, it was nowhere near as windy as that. Me and Lily were fighting for our lives up there. Fighting, drowning in hair. We did lose 100%. But yeah, it's a gorgeous viewpoint. It's so high up, you can just see everything for miles and miles. And it's absolutely beautiful. But we're on the move now, heading for a coffee somewhere. So I can't imagine this will be that much of a long ride to the coffee stop, although I don't know where it is. But yeah, then we got some cool plans to ride the GC-200, which is, what is it, Mike? Arguably one of the best roads in the world?
Yeah, I think it got voted.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, it was actually on, do you know, like where there's the voting things, what people do?
It's actually got an accolade.
I think so, I could be wrong.
Lily, you're the vocab girl, is that right? Oh, look at Steve. He's got a frunk. He's got a little frunk. I love the frunks. Oh.
Most of mine's gone now.
You want the white coffee?
Yeah.
Lily, you're getting your caffeine fix.
I feel, what did I say yesterday?
Have you actually stopped it?
Rejuvenate.
Rejuvenised. Not rejuvenised.
Rejuvenate.
So guys, we've just stopped here for a coffee break. As you can see, the sun is shining. I had a blood test before I came to Gran Canaria and it said I was severely vitamin D deficient. So I am hoping that this sun is exactly what I need to chirp me up. But yeah, what a place, what a place. The roads are phenomenal, the hairpins are twisties. And now I'm trying to stay off caffeine because I don't want to trigger my labyrinthitis, but I can't come here and not have a leche. It's got to be done. So yeah, I'll have to drink loads of water to compensate for the caffeine, but I've got to have a leche. I'm only human. So I'm on the Hornet 750. It's a brand new bike for Canary Motorcycle Tours. And yeah, enjoying the lightness of it, enjoying how flickable it is. It's pretty good for my little stumpy little legs. So I am enjoying it. You've got to just be aware of the throttle because they're a little bit, and when there's a lot of hairpins, you've just got to be on your guard with it. But I'm enjoying it so far, but I am hopefully looking forward to riding the red Tracer. But since Lily's with us for 2 days, I'm letting her get a fill of the Tracer since she's loving it, and then I'll try that as the week goes on. But yeah, so far, so good. Yeah, clear. Sausages. Say it. Sausages.
Lily likes what?
Well, that was a lovely viewpoint to stop at. It's absolutely stunning down there. And now we've just got a little 15-minute bimble to dinner time. So guys, we've just rocked up for dinner and we're on the harbour, so it's only right to get fish, right? Something fishy anyway. But I just want to show you these views. Let me flip this around. Oh, I need to be careful not to get boobs on camera because there are usually boobs at this beach. So yeah, I'll try not to embarrass anyone. Although they're clearly not the shy and retiring type if they're topless on a beach. But anyway, don't want to get demonetised. It's just so relaxing. I'm just so soothed. Like, the riding is a lot and you really don't stop. Well, you do stop for your breaks and your viewpoints and your coffees, but then when you're on it, it's relentlessly twisty. And I absolutely love that because I live for these kind of roads. But it is nice that Canary Motorcycle Tours take you to places like this for your lunch. It's just absolutely stunning. Right, let's get back to the gang.
March.
That massive chunk of lemon.
Today, in 1 week.
Look how thick that is.
Lemony Queen.
It's an absolute monster.
We don't get them ones that big at home.
Chicken and chips.
Right. Back to school dinner. That's more like
Oh,
we get the chicken spaghetti.
staring at you. Sizzling away. What's the word? Flamage.
Flamage.
Is that a word?
I don't think so.
So we've just had dinner on the seafront, which was absolutely lush. The views are beautiful, although I did see a pair of boobs. Did you, Mike?
I didn't.
Did you, Lily? Oh, I got the bonus. I think she was about 70 years old though, bless her. But we're about to ride the GC-200, which is a beautiful road. Teapot One always raves about it when he comes here. And we're about to experience it for ourselves.
So yeah, this is the GC-200, and I've got to say, it's possibly one of the most impressive roads I've ever ridden. Like, it's just something else, isn't it? Like, look at this. Like look how incredible this is. It's just breathtaking. I probably shouldn't have stopped here, but YOLO. I probably shouldn't have set off in 4th gear either, but we make it work. there's just the views. It is absolutely spectacular. Like, come on, man. Even coming to here just to do this one road is worth it, in my opinion.
So we've just pulled up to a little cute viewpoint, little lay-by, just for Martin to warn us that this bit of road has quartz in it, and when it gets wet those little quartz bits get proper slippy. So he was just giving us a bit of advice just to calm our tatties really and just chill out a little bit. Yeah.
Where are we going?
Oh yeah, we're going go-karting apparently.
And what's Michael doing?
Crashing into Kate.
100%.
Apparently.
Right, flat out, let me come get you, Kate.
Right, I'm on Lily's ass. Ah! Oh, I spun out!
Oh, what are you doing? Your car's so fast, Kate.
What?
Your car is so fast.
It's because I don't weigh anything. Now I've got to catch back up to Lily after my error. I've got her in my sights, I've got to catch back up to her. Oh shit! That's my nemesis, that one, man.
Look at this, look! How fast yours is!
Ah!
Look, you're
He's
so
on my
fast!
ass! He's gonna ram me, I just sense it. Ah!
You're not supposed to crash!
Oh, I almost had too much grip on the apex then. I've got stopped. Ah! Oh! That's it. He stopped me because my hair's out.
You crashed into an airbill! Did you actually?
Oh, now I'm nowhere near you guys because I got stopped to sort my damn hair out.
I don't know who's behind me, I think it's Lee. Oh no, Lily's flying! Lily's on fire!
Huh?
Lily's fast!
Yeah, she's going for it. Ah! Everything's going sideways in my vision.
It's so bumpy! It's so bumpy!
Whoa! Everything is blurred. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is awesome.
I didn't expect Lily to do this good considering she doesn't drive.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the smoothest I've taken that yet.
I'm number one! I'm in number one!
That was so fun. Oh,
Oh, that was fun.
that was so good.
Thank you.
So guys, we've just finished some go-karting. That was so much fun, honestly. If you come here and you get the option to do it, definitely say yeah. It doesn't matter if you think you're crap at it or you think you're going to be a hero. Just take part because it is so much fun. We had such a good time. I was absolutely gutted when he stopped me for about 50 seconds to tuck my hair in. Absolutely livid because I was having so much fun chasing Lily and Mike, but it wasn't to be. But it was so much fun anyway. Really enjoyed it. Well everybody, we've finished karting, we're back on the bikes and we're heading back to the unit. It's going to take about 20 minutes to get back, I'd imagine. No, not even 20 minutes. 15 minutes if that. We're nearly back because we can see the wind turbine, so we know we must nearly be back. Right guys, well, goodbye from us. We hope you've enjoyed this and we'll catch you all on day 3. Bye.